Virtual reality (VR) has evolved significantly over the past few years, and Meta's upcoming release, the Meta Quest 4, is poised to redefine the VR landscape. Building upon the successes of its predecessors, the Quest 4 aims to deliver an unparalleled immersive experience, blending cutting-edge technology with user-centric design. 1. Dual model approach, catering to diverse needs. Meta recognizes that VR enthusiasts have varied requirements. To address this, the Quest 4 is expected to launch in 2 distinct models. Standard model, designed for casual users and those new to VR. This model offers a balanced mix of performance and affordability. Premium model, targeted at power users, developers, and serious gamers. This version boasts enhanced features and capabilities. This dual model strategy ensures that both newcomers and seasoned VR enthusiasts can find a device that suits their needs and budget. 2. Advanced display technology. The Quest 4 is rumored to feature a display with a resolution of 2392 by 2560 pixels per eye and a 90 Hz refresh rate. Potential integration of QLED technology could further enhance color accuracy and contrast, providing a more immersive visual experience. VRDB. 3. Eye tracking and mixed reality enhancements. A significant upgrade anticipated in the Quest 4 is the inclusion of eye tracking capabilities. This technology would allow the headset to adjust the display based on the user's gaze, optimizing resource allocation and enhancing immersion. VRDB. Additionally, the Quest May 4th offer improved mixed reality features, including a higher resolution pass-through camera and advanced image processing. These enhancements aim to create a more seamless integration between the virtual and real worlds, enriching applications that blend both environments. VRDB. 4. Performance upgrades. The Quest 4 is likely to be powered by the latest Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 processor, offering enhanced performance, improved graphics, and better energy efficiency compared to its predecessors. Intel. +2. VRDB. +2. Android Central. +2. Increased internal storage options, potentially up to 1 TB, cater to larger game files and media, ensuring users have ample space for their VR content. PatSnap Eureka. 5. Enhanced comfort and design. Meta is expected to focus on reducing the headset's weight and improving comfort. Innovations such as a lighter battery and an improved facial interface could make extended use more comfortable. Additionally, optimizing the vertical field of view, FOV, may enhance the sense of immersion. VRDB. 6. Audio enhancements. Improved spatial audio for a more immersive sound experience is anticipated in the Quest 4. Built-in AI-driven noise cancellation will provide clearer communication in social VR or multiplayer games. PatSnap Eureka. 7. Connectivity and cloud gaming. The Quest 4 is expected to support Wi-Fi 7, enabling faster wireless streaming from PCs or cloud-based gaming. Optimized Bluetooth integration will ensure seamless pairing with accessories. PatSnap Eureka. Additionally, Meta is working on cloud gaming capabilities, allowing users to play PC VR quality games without requiring mobile hardware. This could help keep future Quest headsets lighter by requiring less powerful hardware. AG4 Tech. 8. AI integration. AI is taking the world by storm, and the Quest 4 is expected to fully embrace this new technology. With advancements in AI, the Quest 4 could feature more impressive capabilities that can help make virtual worlds look more real and improve interactions with non-playable characters, NPCs, in VR games. Digital trends. 9. Modular accessories and customization. The Quest May 4th launch with more accessory options than ever before. Users could upgrade parts of their headset as needed, such as swapping the strap for better comfort, upgrading the controllers for enhanced tracking, or changing the facepad for a different fit. This modular approach allows users to customize their VR experience to suit their preferences. 10. Software and ecosystem integration. The Quest 4 will also push forward on the software side. Meta Horizon, the company's virtual social platform, is set to expand massively, offering more worlds, more games, and more collaboration tools. Additionally, Meta's investment in artificial intelligence could make the Quest 4 smarter to use, with features like faster setup guided by AI in games and apps that learn your play style. Meta is building a full digital ecosystem, connecting VR worlds, AI-enhanced games, and AR wearables. The Quest 4 will serve as the entry point into this ecosystem, aiming to change the way we interact with digital environments.